Today is going to be a great day because I started out with meditation. Then I got up and I went to water aerobics. And the sun was shining. I mean, what a gorgeous, beautiful day it is out today. I'll take my glasses off. And it is Wednesday is shot day now for me, every Wednesday. So I have my dose of Mounjaro here, 15 milligrams. I'm trying to reach my goal weight of 150 pounds. I was 171 yesterday morning. Yeah, oh, I got that shadow. I hate when I do that. Dang it. Well, we'll just start her over. Yes. Oh, wow. You're still here. Looking at this picture of me at my son's graduation from college. And I wasn't in the wheelchair that day. I had walked quite a ways to get there using the walker. So when we were taking pictures, I can barely stand up. So I'm sitting on the walker there. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad. Oh, things have changed so much. That was like 11 years ago. And things have changed so much for me. And we're hauling the walkers off down to donate my walkers. I've been giving stuff like that away. Yeah, it's very... I love doing it. Love getting hauled the wheelchair off. It was too rusty to give away. I'm not trapped in that anymore. I don't need that anymore because I'm Debby Garcia. I have lost 230 pounds. I got 2 new knees. I did a year of physical therapy and no more wheelchair and no more walker. And today is shot day. Yes, and it's taken me 11 years to get the weight off, and I have used many things and tried, lots of different things to get the weight off and stuff. But I just started with clean eating. I believe I was touched by God because I'd been praying and begging for my life to change because I was stuck in that wheelchair, stuck in a bedroom, stuck hidden away from everybody, no life, sad. People come and old friends were visiting me, and one gal said, yeah, we heard that you weren't doing well. And I didn't even think about it at the time, but I was thinking about it later. I was like, oh, all these people have been coming to see me that I haven't seen for a while, and I realized they were coming because everybody thought I was dying. That's how bad they thought I was back then. And I probably was ready to die. Yeah, I was sick all the time. Oh my God. Yeah, anyway. I am doing so much better now. It's Mounjaro day. It is shot day. And this medicine has helped me for like the last year and a half. The GLP-1s, that's what I've been on, and that's a tool. Everything's a tool, but exercise and eating right. And mindset is the most important. Getting your mind. See, I always thought, I can't do it. I cannot lose this weight. And so I couldn't. And then 11 years ago when I decided to really wanted to change my life, I started losing weight. I started being able to stick to this plan, this clean eating that I was doing, and drinking tons of water. And then I got a water aerobics class, and they helped me so much. They were so motivating and encouraging, and they were like, you're our motivation now. So I had got this group of people, of older people. A lot of them were in their 80s, 70s and 80s. A lot of them have passed on. But they said I was motivating them. So I got the class going. And I mean, we had so much fun. And we're still having fun. We have a lot of new people. And I still go to water aerobics. I was there this morning. And exercise and getting out and meeting with your buddies and your friends, that community of people, it's magic. It really is. And I'm learning that more and more, the different communities. I've been joined like on the school platform because I've met so many amazing ladies on there, amazing people. And yeah, it's shot day. Turn it, unlock it, take out the base. I'm just going to put it in my arm here. Talking a mile a minute today because I do water aerobics and I'm wound up and got so much energy when I get home. Yeah, how my life has changed. Not sitting on the sideline anymore, watching other people have fun, watching other people live a life. Now I have a life, and everything's great. Well, not everything's great. It's just I have a life. I got my legs. I'm getting divorced, and instead of rolling out on a wheelchair, begging everybody for help, and just feeling helpless, I'm feeling like I'm stuck. I'm not stuck. I am not stuck. I can move out, and I'm looking for apartments. I'm going down to separate bank accounts today. I've got this one apartment I'm really hoping I'm getting close to getting, and yeah, whole new life for Debbie. Whole new life. And just one adventure after another. Loose skin surgery in the next few months, I hope. Next year, 2026, I'm getting loose skin surgery. So follow me, guys. Follow me and subscribe to my channel if you have any of the same problems I've had. If you have like over 100 pounds to lose, if you're trapped in a wheelchair, if you're trapped at home, follow me because I'm making a community, and I'm going to be opening up a school membership, a free membership. I believe it'll be free. I don't know. I got so many YouTube coaches, and one says charge and one says don't. Well, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know. I'm designing it. I'm working really hard on it, and it's going to be, I want it to be fun too. I don't want to just be a boring old group where everybody comes in and it's like, okay, now eat this, eat that, exercise. No, it's all about mindset and the motivation of mindset. And like when I started this journey 11, 12 years ago, I had in my mind, at first I was like, oh, am I going to be able to stick to it? And once I started losing weight, and once I found my exercise group, and once things started moving, it was like my mindset changed. Hey, I think I can do this. And now I know, my mindset now is, yes, I can do this. I know I can do this. I'm doing it. I'm going to do this. I'm going to get the rest of my weight off, and I'm just going to keep exercising and getting the best health I can do, because at 65, that's the goal. Is I wish I would have been more conscious of health years ago, but when you're young and you can move around and you can still do stuff, and I was in survival mode, yeah, I was in survival mode for so many years. And I'm just trying to live and have a happy life now. And I'm having a happy life. I'm having adventures. I am doing things that I never thought I would get to do. I'm having lots of non-scale victories, which I will be sharing. Yes. Okay, I'm going to let you go. I love you guys. I love YouTube. I love doing this. I've been inspiring some ladies. I'm actually helping coach them, and they're doing good, and they're motivated, and we're working together. And that is so exciting to know that this journey is worth it, not only for me, but that I can inspire others and hopefully help them and tell them we're not stuck. You can make choices. It's all about the choices and discipline and self-love. I didn't know the discipline. I thought, oh, it's pure torture. No, you have to do discipline in a way that is rewarding. You want to go to the gym, you want to exercise, you want to feel good. You don't want to go and just hate it or hate doing hate doing this. You have to approach this in a way that brings you joy. And that is what happened to me, is this is bringing me so much joy. And yeah, okay, I'm going to let you guys go. I'm babbling. Yeah. It's the sun's out, and I know I'm getting ready to head outside that sun, and yeah, if it's a sunny day, get out there. And if you can't, no matter what, sun, it gets the endorphins going too. It's a double whammy today. A beautiful sunny day, and water aerobics, and I lost a few pounds, so I'm golden.